If this is your first time using a buffer, this is the video for you. Follow the steps I show you in this video and you'll be a pro at this in no time. It's very important that you get the right grit screen for this. And if this is your first pass on raw wood, make sure to grab a 100 screen. 100 stands for the grit. First, clean off the area you're going to put it on because you don't want any type of dust or, worst case scenario, a little bit of metal that'll scratch up the whole floor. Make sure that the buffer pad is on securely and that it's not going to slip off. When putting the buffer on the screen, make sure to line it up as close as you can so you get full coverage. Here I'm demonstrating how low you should put the actual handle. A lot of people keep it up top and it's super uncomfortable to work with. What I recommend is you lower it down all the way to your thigh, not in the middle, just above the thigh. It's the perfect optimal spot. You may be wondering how fast should I go across the floor with this, and I recommend you go nice and slow, but make sure not to stand in one spot too long because then you'll start getting circles on the raw wood. As you can see, I'm just moving with the speed that I would normally go with, not too fast, not too slow, making sure to get everything with a nice even coverage. Not a lot of people know how to control the buffer. It's super simple, there's only 3 ways this could go. With the handle, if you force it up just a tad bit, it'll go to the right, and when you push down, it'll go to the left. And a lot of people, especially me, were super confused when starting off. But you get the hang of it really quick, so I recommend starting in the middle of the room just to get the hang of it and feel out the buffer because you don't want to smash into any walls.